In this video, we are going to solve multiplication of 3-digit numbers within few seconds. So for that, we are going to use simple addition and multiplication of single digit numbers. So hello everyone, I am Naina. Welcome back to my channel Akshar. I usually make videos related to Vedic Maths. So please see my earlier videos also if you have not seen my earlier videos. So let's start our today's topic, which is multiplication of 3-digit general numbers. In the previous video we have solved the 2-digit general numbers multiplication short trick. So please see that video first. If you want to see any technique related to any trick related to multiplication, so I have made 8 to 9 videos related to that. So please see those videos first so that you can have better understanding of all the multiplication methods. Right, so let's start our today's video. Let's take the very first example, which is 212 into 11 and 2. Okay, so the very first step is that we have to write down our number in this way, 212 and 11 and 2. Okay, so then we have to write down our result as by doing vertical multiplication of last digits. That means 2 into 2 is equal to 4, and this 4 will be my last digit of my answer. Right, next write down the cross multiplication result. What you will get in cross multiplication result? So write down your numbers again like this, 212, 11 and 2. Okay, so do the cross multiplication. You will get 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2, 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2, which will give you 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Okay, so earlier when we were doing the 2-digit multiplication, then what we were doing, our next step was doing the vertical multiplication of these two numbers. But in case of 3-digit numbers, we have to use 2 more steps, and the first step which we have to use more is vertical and cross. That means write down your number again, right? So this time do the multiplication of cross multiplication of these two numbers and vertical multiplication of these two numbers. Okay, that means 2 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus, this was our result due to cross multiplication, and this will be the result due to our vertical multiplication, which is 1 into 1. So it will give you 4 plus 2 plus 1. 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. Right, next step which you have to do is you have to do the cross multiplication of the remaining numbers. Remaining numbers are what? 212, 11 and 2. We have done cross multiplication of these two numbers. We have done cross multiplication of these two numbers also, but we have not done the cross multiplication of these two numbers. So how we will do that? We will do that cross multiplication, that 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1, which will give you what? It will give you 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. Right, so now these were the two extra steps, vertical and cross, and this cross which you have to do in other than the 2-digit numbers. Right, next the last step you have to do, which is the vertical multiplication. That means 2 1 1 1 2 2. So when you will do vertical multiplication of this, then you will get what? 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So this will be your first digit of the answer. This 3 will be second digit. This 7 will be your third digit, and this 4 will be your fourth digit of the answer, and this last 4 will be our fifth digit of the answer. So that means our answer will be 2, 3, 7, 4 and 4. So let's take another example of 3-digit numbers in which some carry is there when we are doing the multiplication. Right, we have done the carry example in the 2-digit number also. Okay, so the very first step is that you have to do vertical multiplication of last 2 digits. So it will give you 6 into 3 will be equal to 18. then you have to do cross multiplication of your second and the third digits, right? So it will give you 1 into 3 plus 6 into 2 is equal to 3 plus 12, which is equal to 15. Okay, now the third step is what? You have to do vertical and cross multiplication. That means 8, 2, 1, 2, 6 and 3. Vertical and cross multiplication of what? These two numbers, and vertical multiplication of this. That means 8 into 3 plus 6 into 2 plus vertical is what? Vertical is 1 into 2. So that means it will give me 24 plus 12 plus 2, which is equal to 24 plus 14 is give me 38. Next, do the cross multiplication of which digits you will do? 8, 2, 1, 2, 6 and 3. Okay, so this time we will do cross multiplication of these two digits, because we have done cross multiplication of these two and we have done cross multiplication of these two digits, but we have not done cross multiplication of these two digits. So this time we will do cross multiplication of first and second digit. 8 into 1, 8 into 2 plus 2 into 1, which will give you 16 plus 2, which is equal to 18, right? So the last step now, which is my vertical multiplication, and vertical multiplication how I will do? 8, 2, 1, 2, 6 and 3, and when I will do vertical multiplication, then I will get 8 into 2 is equal to 16, right? So this is my first part of the answer. As I have told you earlier, 16, 18 will be my second part of the answer, then above 38 and 15, 38 will be my third part of the answer, then 38 and then 15, and the last part of the answer will be 18. So write down here 15 and 18. Okay, so now you can see there are some carries, means two digits are there in place of a single digit, right? So what we do? We keep our last digit as it is and take it here and do the addition. So 15 plus 1 will become 16. So instead of writing 16, I will write down 6 only in my answer and will take 1 here. So 38 plus 1 will become 39. So instead of writing 39, I will write down 9 only and 3 will be carry. So 18 plus 3 will be my 21. So instead of writing 21, I will write down 1 only and this 2 will be my carry, and this time 16 plus 2 will become 18. So this will be my answer, which is 1, 8, 1 and 9, 6 and 8. So you can see that how fast I have done my multiplication. Okay. Let us take the third example with the carry only, right? So 3, 4, 2 into 5, 1, 4. So the very first step is that we have to do our vertical multiplication. 3, 4, 2, 5, 1 and 4. So vertical multiplication will give me what? 2 into 4, it will give me 8. Then my next step is that I have to do vertical and so the next step is that I have to do my cross multiplication of last two digits. Okay, so last two digits will give me what? 4 into 4 plus 2 into 1. It will give me 16 plus 2, which is equal to 18. Now I have to do vertical as well as cross multiplication. Okay, so vertical multiplication of first and the third digit and cross multiplication of first and the third digit and vertical multiplication of second digit, which will give me what? 3 into 4 plus 5 into 2 plus 4 into 1, which will give me what? 3 4s the 12, 12 plus 10 plus 4, which will give me 12 plus 10 is 22, 22 plus 4 will give me 26. Okay, now again the cross multiplication of first and second digit, 3 5 4 1 2 and 4. So cross multiplication of these two will give you what? 3 into 1 plus 5 into 4, which will give me 3 plus 20, which is equal to 23. Now the last step, you have to do vertical multiplication of the first two digits, 3 5 4 1 2 and 4. Vertical multiplication, that means 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Okay, so the final answer of your question will be 15. Then the next digit will be 23, next digit will be your 26. Okay, and the next digit will be your 18, and the last digit will be 8. So write down here 15, 23, 26, 18 and 8, right? So now write down your digits, 8 as it is, then 8 will be here as it is, then 26 plus 1 will become 27, so 7 will be here as it is, then 23 plus 2 will be 25, so 5 will be here as it is, so 2 will go here, and 15 plus 2 will become 17. So this will be my answer, which is 1 7 5 7 8 and 8. So let's meet in the next video, in which we will learn how to do fast multiplication of the algebraic expressions without expanding them. Right? We do not need to do this. X into x will be x square plus 4x plus 3x plus 12. This kind of calculations we do not need to do. While expanding our algebraic expressions, we can solve algebraic expressions in a similar manner. If you find this video useful, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, so that you can get more updates related to my new videos. So let's meet in the next video, in which we are going to solve multiplication of algebraic. Till then, take care and bye bye.